Hello everyone.
Hello and welcome to Central Academy News Studio.
I am Gwalior from class 6th.
And I am Mokshin from class 6th.
Today we are here to share some joyful moments from the vibrant festival of colors Holi.
Holi is a beautiful festival that fills our life with happiness, positivity and togetherness.
The vibrant festival of colors Holi was celebrated in our school with great joy and enthusiasm.
Our school campus was filled with excitement.
Students enjoyed playing with bright colors in a safe and disciplined manner under the guidance of our teachers.
The entire atmosphere was full of laughter, smile, and positive energy.
Now we are presenting some beautiful glimpses of the Holi celebration.
Let's have a look at these colorful and cheerful moments.
Dear friends, while celebrating Holi, we must always remember to celebrate responsibly.
Let us celebrate an eco-friendly Holi by using natural colors, avoiding water wastage, and keeping our surrounding clean.
Say no to harmful chemical colors and yes to herbal colors.
Spread love, spread happiness, and protect our beautiful environment.
Wishing you all a very happy, colorful, and cheerful Holi. May your life be filled with bright colors of joy and success.
Celebrate with love, laughter, and positivity. And stay connected with Central Academy News Studio. Thank you for watching.
Have a wonderful day.